We'll look into that one by one. The confidential data without destroying the media. If media is unreadable, it should be physically destroyed or even burnt to avoid losing confidential data. So in generally, you need to do that. The confidential data without destroying the media, if media is even unreadable, because those CDs are now not available. Hard disks are the older kind of thing, and now there is everything. The technology changed; they cannot read it. So that is what the thought of for that process of company and throw it away. Nobody can read it. But it's not like that. So I'm still using that whatever my first computer which I used in 1999, the system still working at my place, and the CD drive can work at my place. And this even though this hard disk also I can connect and see the data. The company is looked about the only based on their experience. They thought that nobody is using, but this whomever collecting the data, that garbage collector, he might be having the similar kind of computer and similar kind of things. So now, what is that identification? When it is coming to the identification, is not the choice of this particular case, because so what is that identification is only talking about that the data importance of the confidentiality and this one availability. The identification is anyway not part of that. See, because identification is not at all part of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Anything we have to look about that, only we should look about the confidentiality of the data, integrity of the data, and availability of the data. So there is no identification thing here in this, so that straight away you can remove it. Now coming to the availability, so they made it available to everybody, even though for public also. So there is no question of talking about that availability, so that availability also can be removed. Now distraction, actually what they have to do is they have to do distraction, but they think that the distraction is not the choice, because that thing is not there. So that is not majorly the problem. Now coming to the confidentiality, the suitable answer, because if you look into the question, so what is exactly the question which they were made? What the factor of the CIDDA tried can be the credit company be best said to have violated. So violated thing is always is the confidentiality. So because distraction they have to might do that, but they were not done. But as per the question, if you are looking into that, this case study is more, the confidentiality is the more relevant to the case study. So here in this case, confidentiality is the important. So we are not only should not look about the only confidentiality, integrity, and availability, because there is a Don Parker proposed six-sided model. So whatever till now we are looking about the triangle only, confidentiality, integrity, availability. But Don Parker proposed a six-sided model where you should have a possession or control, and authenticity and utility is the another three controls. So you require a queue to implement your security as much as strong. Confidentiality, integrity, availability are the major principles and major controls. But however, if you can add integrity, integrity, authenticity, utility, which are very much important and makes your system will be strong. So what is exactly authenticity means? Authenticity means, even though if you can give the authentication and authorization and accountancy, who is accessing member is having the right or not, and what time and he can access, that is called as an accountancy. So the triple A principle, authentication, who can authorize it, who can access it, how much time he can access it, and what kind of things he can access. These three things which we implement along with the integrity, availability, and the confidentiality. So definitely it adds one more for further security. Of course, the utilities, whatever the utilities you need to understand under that purpose, like in a need to know principle and segregation of duties, Such kind of will come under utilities. And of course, possession and control. This controlling by implementing the utility controls and these controls implementation is very much important. Possessing of these things are very much important to make a better security of any organization. So with this, I'm completing the possession. I look into that somebody is having already, they were keep some questions. If you want, anybody wanted to speak,